going on, community? Welcome back to channels. Guys, if you're finding a platform where you can buy the one of the best shoes like the Jordans, Air, Nike, this type of shoes you're gonna buy from the China, today video is going to be very amazing for you. So today video I have brought Pandago. So guys, basically on this platform, basically this is a UPO seller, and they also have their own shop on the Vidian where you can literally buy every type of the sneakers. If you're finding the Air Jordan, they have. If you're finding the Elvis sneaker, they have. If you're finding the Adidas shoes, they have. Literally, they have everything about the shoes. So let's dive in and explore the Panda buy. If you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's dive in and explore the Panda. So first of all, guys, here you can check it out. Here is Pandago. This is the shop on the Vidian. You can check it out. Real Panda buy, legacy seller, legacy items are brand new, no refunds or exchange are available there. So you can check it out. Their WhatsApp number, their WeChat and UPO store albums are also available there. We will also explore it out. The Discord server is also available there. So guys, on that you could say jacket, pants, shoes, and other items too. And this is the mixture of everything. You can also check out. They have their one of the top brand shoes are also available there, and they also have Balenciaga mystery box. You could go and check out this thing too. And this is one of the best shoes, and like, check it out. The Elvis sneakers are also available there, like the Balenciaga sneakers, McQueen sneakers basically, and there's a lot of varieties of the sneakers are also available there, so you could go and check them out. And they are also selling some top of the clothes like sweatpants, t-shirts, and the hoodies type of things, and they're also selling the bags, Dior bags, diesel bags are also available there, so you could go and check them out. And the unique items, in the unique items you can check out the bracelets, the necklaces are also available there, the LV pads and everything is available there, so you can go and check them out and select whatever you want. You can buy on this platform. So guys, here is the main part of our video. They also have the shop on the UPO. Pandago is available there. You can check it out. First of all, guys, the Pandago exclusive mystery box is also available there, so you can check out their mystery box collection is also available there. And if you, their contact is also their WhatsApp, their Discord, their cooperation plan if you want to cooperate with them there. This is also available here. And if you have to find them, you can buy them through Kako by Hebo by Best, Itao, CSS by Logo by Who by and Visit Go to. Sport tracksuits are also available. So first of all, here's the sport tracksuits like Asics, Nike, Under Armour, Asics, Under Armour, other type of the lot of the sport tracksuits are also available there on this platform. And let's go to the second page where you can still explore a lot of things available there, so you can go and check them out too. And they're also giving the mystery box, one of the best things I have ever seen, like the mystery box selling a platform which is selling the mystery box. In the mystery box you can also watch out a lot of things like you could win the shoes, you could win the another type of the rewards from the mystery box, and mystery box prices are also super duper cheap. And there are the more things like their sneakers are also available there, so you can go and check them out there, like Asics sneakers are also available there. Here's the shoes, much more. One of the best amazing shoes like Jordan quality is also available. Jordan 1 low high, Jordan 4 Yellow Thunder is also available there, and one of the best slides are also available there on this platform. That is also an insane thing. And you could also find this is one of the best, and the Babe sneakers are also available there, and these are the track suits. You could also watch out the shirts, hoodies are also available there basically on this platform. You can also buy them too, guys. So guys, they have a lot of things. If you want to explore his all categories, all categories you can check out. All type of the brands are also available there, and other types of like shoes brand, clothes brand, next brand, bags brand, everything's available there. You can go and check them out too. And the blind box series are also available there. So guys, that was our video about the Pandago. If you're interested in buying anything, if you want to buy the shoes, they also have. If you want to buy the clothing, they also have it. If you want to buy the some type of the bags and your jewelry, they also have this. So if links on your description, don't forget to check them out. We will meet in our next video. Have a great day. Please keep safe, stay happy, and thank you.